Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen kimchi cup noodles, only ways. Open the cup, add chopped kimchi and its juice, add the seasoning packet, pour boiling water to the fill line, cover tightly, steep for 3 minutes, stir well, and enjoy a balanced spicy, tangy noodle cup that stays portable and quick. Add sesame oil or a soft egg and scallions for texture, and chili flakes if you want more heat. Start by assembling your instant cup, about a 1/4 cup of chopped kimchi, the seasoning packet, an optional egg or scallions. Drain or keep kimchi juice depending on desired broth intensity, then add the seasoning and kimchi directly to the cup. Pour boiling water to the fill line, cover tightly, and set a timer for 3 minutes to steep. Stir thoroughly to blend flavors and check seasoning before eating. For deeper flavor, stir in a teaspoon of sesame oil or soy after steeping, and add gochujang for a fermented spice kick. Swap kimchi types to change tanginess, or add cooked protein like shredded chicken or tofu for a heartier bowl. Finish with scallions, toasted sesame seeds, or a soft egg for texture. These small tweaks make a simple cup feel like a crafted meal without extra fuss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.